Calendar year. It's been one roller coaster ride. So much has happened. Hormus is now joining in to break down how the benchmark indices and the broader markets have fared so far in 2025. Hormus?
More action than in an action film, more drama than in a drama film. Well, I guess the markets have seen it all in the first 6 months of 2025, be it tariffs, be it war, be it ceasefires. And after all of this, the Nifty has trumped up with returns of 8.5% in the first 6 months of the year. And this is after an 18% recovery that the index has seen from the lows that it had made at the start of 2025. The Nifty Bank, which is already trading at record highs, is up 13% so far in the first half of this year. And this tinge of green that you see in the mid cap and the small cap index is after a near 30% recovery that these indices have seen from the lows that they made earlier this year. Now, which have been the top performers on the Nifty in the first 6 months? No prices for guessing, but it is BEL and Bajaj Finance. The 6 months, though, belong to the life insurance companies, SBI Life and HDFC Life. Both of them are seeing their second best calendar year already in terms of returns, and Bajaj Finserv, of course. And the underperformers, of course, it is the IT names that form the predominant list. TCS, Infosys, Wipro, all of them in there, along with Trent and, of course, IndusInd Bank, despite a near 35% recovery from the lows. You take a look at the mid-cap index, and Solar Industries has been the talk of the town in the last few months. Almost 80% returns in the first 6 months. Bharat Dynamics, BSE, L&T Finance is up 50% so far this year. What is down 50% this year, though, is Ola Electric, continuing to make new lows from its IPO price, along with names like Oracle Financial, Kalyan Jewellers, Premier Energies too forms a part of this list. Defense has been a common theme across the Nifty, the mid caps, and even the small caps, because Garden Reach is the top gainer on the small cap index, almost 90%. Narayana Health until last week making new highs. Redington and Navin Fluorine, after a slew of positive brokerage commentary, is up almost 50% so far this year. And among the underperformers, though, it is names like Brainbees Solutions, Anantraj, Natco Pharma, losses of anywhere between 35 to 40%. So it's been an action-packed first half of 2025. Well, the bulls would definitely be hoping that the second half is less action-packed, but it has enough legs to take the Nifty past its record high levels.
Thank you. But action will start, what, tomorrow?